about the brand and exactly what Today's Moms is about.
Today's Moms is a brand, we're representing like every mom out there who's trying to balance it all. Trying to pay the bills, trying to work, trying to run a household, trying to raise kids, trying to please a husband. It's a big thing, and that's what Today's Moms is. It's trying to balance everything and trying to do it in a very realistic but practical way.
Tell me how it started, because you are producers at the Today Show. You have very high pressure jobs. So how did the book and the brand come into evolution?
Well, I was actually at an airport, and I was traveling with my little 6-month-old daughter, and I had this super cool stroller/car seat called a sit and stroll. And I was at the airport and surrounded by all these women like, what is that? Oh my gosh, it's like robotic. I'm like, no, it's just a stroller and a car seat. So I started thinking about all the things that I was learning about becoming a new mom, and it was all because of people like Alicia, who has a child a year older than mine, and all the other women. I thought, God, we're just at our fingertips. We have the best, fastest, most up-to-date information. And not only that, but we have all these experts. We have Dr. Nancy Schneiderman. We have Gail Saltz, Dr. Gail Saltz. I mean, and then we have all the talent who all have kids, and that's the one thing they all have in common. So when people are always asking them about their kids, like it's a one thing we all can talk about. That's what we talk about in the dressing room in the morning or in the makeup room. We talk about our kids.
You know, we do have babysitters at home. We do have husbands at home that help us. But really, you know, if you talk to any mom, it all boils down to her. Mama's in charge. Yeah. Everything is her responsibility. We wanted to let them know that everything that they need to know about baby's first year is in there. And it is. It's great. It's a lot of fun.